$1,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. I see. So he's also charged with abandonment. Is it out of the same transaction?
Yeah, we had a long discussion with him this morning.
I don't know anything about it.
Okay, let's pause right there. The Miranda warning is being issued. Classic courtroom procedure. But this isn't just about words. It's a legal line in the sand. From this point forward, anything the defendant says could make or break the case.
Let's find out what's going on, please.
On April 11th, 2025, an officer was dispatched to an unknown accident, and noticed a vehicle, a pickup truck, illegally parked in the front yard of the residence. They were fresh tires.
Yikes. So we've got a Ram truck plowing into a parked Jeep in someone's front yard. This isn't just a parking mishap, folks. It's vehicular mayhem. And yes, that could mean serious property damage and criminal recklessness.
Marks, a broken wheel, and axle visibly appeared to be damaged from the Ram truck to a legally parked red Jeep Compass. The law enforcement officer made contact with the complainant, and then,
Here's where it gets more damning. We've got a witness saying they saw the defendant behind the wheel, and that's gold in a DWI case. Question for you. Would you testify if you saw your neighbor crash into a car after drinking?
I said that the damage to the Jeep was brought on $5,000. The defendant admitted to driving the truck. It was later identified. The officer also made contact with the wheel witness, who said that he witnessed the defendant in the white truck in the driver's seat behind the wheel and observed an exit vehicle from the driver's side door. Upon exiting the vehicle, the wheel witness observed he was not stumbling. And then the wheel witness observed slurred speech and a strong odor of alcohol that was emitting from the defendant's breath and person. The defendant also admitted that he was trying to clear the scene and go home, but his vehicle was stolen. The officer made contact with the defendant, who was detained, and noticed a strong odor of alcoholic beverage. And the officer then conducted a standardized field sobriety test, where he witnessed. Sorry, Your Honor, the DIMS leaves off and does not show the standardized field sobriety test results. The officer asked the defendant his intoxication level. The defendant said he was at a 6 out of 10. The defendant said he does not believe it was safe to operate his motor vehicle at this level of intoxication, but had an 11-year-old passenger.
He did not.
And boom, there it is. The judge just torched the officer's report, calling it basically a joke. If the documentation is sloppy, it doesn't matter how bad the crash was, the whole case starts to wobble.
I'm sorry, he did not. I apologize. Just a moment to see if I can.
Judge, I'm going to tell you that's kind of where the DWI investigation stops. The first response that I have is that no field sobriety tests were performed. It also, the credibility of the wheel witness was never discussed in the DIMS, whether the officer found them credible or reliable, etc. So I really can't make a lot of sense out of.
It's like the DIMS you're reading these like going through a drive-through, man. I mean, really, who's writing the reports?
Yes, Your Honor.
Over and over and over. I mean, really.
Trying to see if I can find anything else.
Case after case, we're just.
This moment right here, it's real. The judge isn't just talking to Mr. Kubler, he's talking to all of us. DWIs kill. And despite the case falling apart on paperwork, the human cost is front and center.
So, Judge, things don't say it. Don't say what is the results of those failed field sobriety tests, and we do not have an office.
How on earth am I supposed to find probable cause when Mickey Mouse is writing these reports?
I don't say, I don't know why it's on the DIMS. Obviously, we didn't write it here. We represent what is written in there. And so I understand your frustration. I'm highly frustrated.
Mr. Kubler, I'm going to find no probable cause in your case. Don't kill anyone. You know, every single day on the news, how many people die in our county because of a DWI? How many? Every single day. We lead the nation in alcohol-related collisions and fatalities because of boneheaded moves that are made day in, day out. Now, this is not to say that they may not indict this case at a later time, but be whatever, just don't kill someone, please. Take a seat, please, sir.
Thank you, Judge.